The main event is here. Good morning from premiering. We're like the one by the airport. Let's show you outside. This is our view. Not that you can probably see. The curtain's in the way. I don't really know what time it is. I think it's like, let's check, 7:07 in the morning, so we really need to get going now. But we are on our way to Las Vegas. So we've never been to Vegas before, so we're so excited, aren't we?
Yeah.
And we're at Gatwick Airport, and yeah, we just stayed in a Premier Inn, so we literally just have to go 2 minutes down the road and then we are there. So we're gonna leave now, so let's go to Vegas. So it's actually so cold that the car has ice over, so that they're saying 0 degrees. So it is very, very cold. Oh, can you not? So we're just gonna head to the airport. It's now 7:30. I ideally wanted to leave a little bit earlier, but you know, these things happen. But yeah, we're gonna head to the airport parking, get the bus to the airport, go through security, and then get some breakfast somewhere, and our flight's at 10:10. So yeah, I'll see you at the airport. Filming the road.
Oh, right. I thought it was going to do one of those highs.
Our bus is in front. We're gonna miss it. Unless it starts the opposite end and we can like run from wherever our space is to the bus. Uh-oh. Hello.
Let's try another place.
Didn't like us. Now we're definitely gonna miss that bus. So we're going to the North Terminal today.
There you go, reading on my plate. Mr. Daniel. Oh, that's me.
Mr. Daniel. Let's go. Whoop, whoop. Yo, we are going to our gate. Yeah. So exciting! hotel. So we made it to Vegas. We've just got out the airport. There's a hair right there. It took us like about an hour to get our bag, get through, get in our bags, you know what I mean. So we're just at the taxi rank and we're gonna wait for a taxi now. It's actually quite nice weather. It's like a little bit chilly, but it's like cardigan weather. So it's really nice. What time is it local?
About 2:30.
So yeah, like 2:30 local time and like 10:30 normal time. But yeah, I'm so excited. Just gonna check in. Didn't take long from the airport and it cost us about $21, and that was from just a taxi outside. Yeah, we're gonna check in. Then I'll show you more in a bit, but I got my massive suitcase. Yeah. Woohoo! Hey you guys, so we're at the Luxor Hotel now. It is 11:08 UK time,
3:08.
so 3:08 Vegas time. Literally just got into the room. We're on the 18th floor, so I'm just going to show you that. I'll show you the bathroom first, just because it's here. Sorry about the fan, but just nice basic. The shower looks really nice actually, like quite big, nice head. This wallpaper looks fairly old, but there's me there. It's very dark in here though. Sorry, Dan's like half naked.
Just take my DVT.
His flight socks off. There's a bed. Got little bedside tables either side. A little desk there, perfect, because normally the desks do not have mirrors in. It's really hard to do makeup, but it's really dark over here. Nice big TV here. Dresses. Oh look, it's all like Egyptian. See, there is an iron.
Oh yeah.
Got an iron in there, safe up there. And then just over here, there's a nice big chair, another light, little table, and the aircon's over there. And this is the window. So,
in the pyramid.
Yeah, we're in the pyramid. We are in a pyramid. Is it?
It's just a king room.
Oh, king room.
It's the most basic one, but it's actually quite nice.
So straight opposite us, you've got Mandela Bay. Okay, anyway, then you've got a big fat McDonald's down there.
Oh, yeah.
And then just over here is the runway, so we did just see a plane like take off. Oh, look there. Plane! Is it gonna focus? Yeah. But yeah, quite a nice view. Got the gorgeous little mountains over there. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna get dressed. Sun's right in my eye hole there. They've got a Titanic exhibition here, so we're gonna do that because I love Titanic so much. We're gonna go to Outback Steakhouse. Are you starving hungry?
Yeah, I could eat.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
I think we'll get dressed, go there, then come back and do Titanic, and literally just kind of explore the local area, because obviously it's like 11 o'clock our time, so we're quite... I'm not that tired actually, but it will catch up to us.
Yeah.
Let's get dressed and head out, and I'll show you a bit of the hotel. Hey guys,
hello.
So we're just outside our hotel room, and literally the Titanic are
Oh, it's that room.
the Titanic exhibition is right down there. Look at how I I'm so excited.
This is crazy being up here. So this is the 18th floor, and yeah, I wouldn't like to fall over there. Ah. It's cool though. Here we go in the lift. Whoa, it's going sideways.
Hey, you guys, so we're in the elevator. Literally the one earlier, it literally felt like the door was gonna drop off, and it literally goes from 1 to 2 to 16. We're very, very high up. We're going to Outback Steakhouse now for some dinner. Am I even in shot?
Yeah.
If I watch this back, it's bad. But
So we're on the way to Excalibur through the Luxor. Thank you very much, sir. Cheers. And I got a save up to 40% Blue Man Group.
not that we have time to go.
Yeah.
Unless they've got a daytime show. Try to help. Look, Humanity, we're going to see
Oh
that.
yeah, we're seeing the Humanity.
Yeah.
Yeah. Man, picking up some speed here. Do, 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 do.
I think down there's the buffet.
Yeah. Yeah, I like the Egyptian theme. Just trying to find our way out of Excalibur at the moment. Yeah, you can tell it's getting smoky now.
Yeah, it stinks. Yeah, we're trying to find our way out. I don't know if they're funny roads.
Yeah, so we're gonna stop now. Huh?
We made it outside. So we've seen you just over there. So excited for food. We're trying to find the big Coke thing.
Yeah, it's down the boulevard somewhere. We're just coming out of Excalibur now then. Alright. So MGM Brand's over there.
From England, way from Liverpool. But Chipnall been paid out there as well.
Hi. Me.
Semi-justified recognition of the violent
Oh yeah.
Alright. Yeah. Okay, sort of heading into New York, but we kind of want to go to the right.
Should we go down maybe? Or just go
I think you can go through, you know.
Right.
Yeah, let's go through. Huh?
That's cool.
Let's take a picture while we're here. So we're gonna head over there now. Marina's decided she wants a picture
I found
with
a
this.
cute one. This is going to be my whole wallpaper in my phone.